Paint. She is painting a portrait. Draw. He is drawing a sketch. Sketch. She is sketching a flower. Color. She is coloring the shapes. Shade. He is shading the figure. Sculpt. She is sculpting a statue. Carve. He is carving a wooden toy. Engrave. He is engraving the stone. Model. She is modeling with clay. Fold. He is folding paper for origami. Paste. She is pasting the pictures. Cut. He is cutting the fabric. Stitch. He is stitching the pattern. Knit. She is knitting a scarf. Crochet. He is crocheting a hat. Weave. She is weaving a basket. Print. He is printing a poster. Design. She is designing a logo. Create. He is creating a comic. Craft. She is crafting a model. Build. He is building a puppet. Mold. She is molding a mask. Glue. He is gluing the parts. Assemble. She is assembling a sculpture. Decorate. He is decorating the canvas. Frame. She is framing her artwork. Exhibit. He is exhibiting his pieces. Compose. She is composing a melody. Sing. He is singing beautifully. Hum. She is humming a tune. Play. He is playing the violin. Strum. She is strumming the guitar. Beat. He is beating the drums. Tap. She is tapping the keys. Whistle. He is whistling a song. Perform. She is performing on stage. Dance. He is dancing gracefully. Act. She is acting in a play. Direct. He is directing a scene. Rehearse. She is rehearsing her lines. Improvise. He is improvising a scene. Mimic. She is mimicking the character. Recite. He is reciting a poem. Read. She is reading a script. Narrate. He is narrating the story. Enact. She is enacting a scene. Animate. He is animating a sequence. Shoot. She is shooting a short film. Edit. He is editing the video. Clip. She is clipping the footage. Record. He is recording the soundtrack. Dub. She is dubbing a voice. Mix. He is mixing audio tracks. Model. He is modeling a character. Photograph. He is photographing the landscape. Focus. She is focusing the lens. Zoom. He is zooming in on the scene. Capture. She is capturing motions. Edit. He is editing the picture. Filter. She is filtering the image. Enhance. He is enhancing the contrast. Blend. She is blending the colors. Mix. He is mixing the paints. Splash. She is splashing the canvas. Smudge. He is smudging the charcoal. Spray. She is spraying the graffiti. Tag. He is tagging the wall. Stencil. She is stenciling a shape. Collage. He is collaging old photos. Print. She is printing t-shirts. Tie-dye. She is tie-dyeing a shirt. Design. She is designing jewelry. Cast. He is casting in bronze. Polish. She is polishing the surface. Glaze. He is glazing pottery. Fire. She is firing the clay. Spin. He is spinning the wheel. Throw. She is throwing a pot. Cut. He is cutting glass. Fuse. She is fusing the elements. Weld. He is welding metal art. Shape. She is shaping the figure. Balance. He is balancing the mobile. Decorate. She is decorating the mask. Embellish. He is embellishing the costume. Stylize. She is stylizing the design. Compose. He is composing an art piece. Showcase. She is showcasing her portfolio. Present. He is presenting the idea. Submit. She is submitting her entry. Win. He is winning the contest.